The Deputy Chief Minister of Meghalaya and also State President of the National People's Party NPP, Prestun Tunsong, addressed reporters today denying any notification regarding the resignation of former State President and Rajya Sabha MP Dr. W.R. Kharlukhi from the NPP.
Kata kamdan, ngaku mo presiden jong parti kamdan namkit kata kebuan kami, dan kemudian kami kamdan.
Oh, makanya kami tadi baka NPP kalau majority dalam di telah cross kedua hatiman margin, te kadang kata kajing possibilities bang di Dr. Kin resign no shifting for.
Kata resign for what? No benda balik you.
Laku aing ka continue show. Kadang kata personal ground.
Ya kata te kamtit. Ledakan don kup kata personal issue, personal problem, kata bayar. Wei tak made bani ya truk personal. Deban ha ya ka jing petip le ka jing kerpat le ka city le se sya ka authority jong parti tantang ila bani apre. Mereka bakulong minta kamdo de kata.
The Deputy Chief Minister also, while responding to queries on the current alliance of other political parties with the NPP, assured that the party, even after having secured a single majority with the recent association of 3 Congress MLAs, will fulfill its full term as part of the Meghalaya Democratic Alliance MDA. Additionally, Tunsong stated that there are no immediate plans for a cabinet reshuffle or changes to ministerial portfolios in the current MDA 2.0 government.
Mami kenal takui nak kalian jongi laring layo maka ia kamajar jar biru ke komitmen jongi kalau hak kerteng ke MDA ngin pendep kan ada kata keren dak bahasa kita ke komitmen jong ke parti NPP kalau bayar ke MDA ke bengila tahu ngin perkut full ya kan ada ia kata komengobi ngang di presiden jong parti ngamtip kata bila menkeli nau chief minister lalu don la se kata dengan dia ke prerogatif pada jong chief minister ban omba la se ban yanuban penrum minister lani yanuban I department EU lani umnuban la se ban omba tos umha pi ngin pensok thai lani kata bro kam deka kam jong ni nak le parti kan dia ada prerogatif jong chief minister.
The ICFA University Meghalaya Admission Open 2024. The university offers program courses in the schools of Management, Humanities, Social Sciences and Science and Technologies for both undergraduate and postgraduate programs, UG and PG programs. Full-time campus programs offered under the undergraduate programs are BBA, BCA, BCom, BTTM, BA, Economics, Political Science, English and Education. For PG programs are MBA, MCom, MTTM, MCA, MA, Political Science, English and Education, MA Khasi, MSW and MA Music. For further information and details, visit or contact the ICFA University Meghalaya Shillong Campus, Powerville near Shillong Law College, Dhangati, Meghalaya. Phone number 0364 222 0057. 94851 58603 700-505-7728 8794 250646.